Sometimes, many of us are prone to wishing our time in the great outdoors could be just an easy but more like home, comfort-wise. While our experiences when camping offer many rewards, they can also offer just as many frustrations, aches, and pains if you don't happen to have a perfect sleeping setup. This is when camping cots come into play, offering great comfort and durability to enhance your nights under the stars. Choosing the perfect camping cot for your trip can be tricky, as there are a lot of camping cots available on the market. And in today's video, we're going to talk about the best 7 camping cots that you can have to maximize your comfort on any camping trip.
Check the video description for the links of the products. Since you are a new channel, don't forget to subscribe us as it will help us grow. Now let's enjoy the video.
All of the Alpcour products are built with exceptional care and painstaking planning, which makes them a perfect addition for any camping trip. Now, meet the Alpcour Folding Camping Cot, a unique camping cot that is built to provide you excellent comfort wherever you go. This camping cot offers ample sleeping space for 1 adult or 2 children so that you can always have roomy sleeping experience without any interruption. It comes with soft, breathable material which is constructed in a double layer of 600D polyester for superior strength. It also has gentle incline that promises no more morning back, neck or shoulder ache. Equipped with strong, durable steel tube frame and joints, this cot can handle a maximum weight up to 300 pounds very easily. This cot features built-in padded pillow and side pocket that cradles the neck and head for sleeping comfort and allows you to keep all of your small camping gear in one place. If you're looking for a comfortable cot to enjoy your camping trip to the fullest, then the Alpcour Folding Cot is the right choice for you. Kamp-Rite was founded in 1999 with the goal of producing unique, innovative solutions to common problems associated with many standard forms of camping gear. Now meet the Kamp-Rite Original Tent Cot, a feature-packed tent that can be the ultimate solution for your camping trip. Made from heavy-duty 190T nylon material, this tent cot is durable enough to provide you shelter in any weather condition. With the help of padded cushion, it ensures comfortable sleeping experience and comes with no CM mesh on all windows and doors to keep the interior fresh while keeping the annoying bugs out. It comes with heavy-duty powder-coated aluminum frame that stands 11 inches above the ground to provide comfort and protection from rocks, insects, and dampness. You can also convert the cot into a lounge chair for daytime relaxation. Weighing just around 24 pounds, its foldable design allows you to conveniently carry it with you and set it up on any campsite very easily. If you are looking for an all-in-one solution for a camping tent that can provide you the comforts of shelter and tent, then the Kamp-Rite Original Tent Cot is the right choice for you. Founded in 2002, King Camp brand has become the leader and professional brand in the manufacturing and distribution of outdoor gears in 45 countries worldwide. Introducing the King Camp Ultralight Compact Folding Camping Cot, a durable cot for your outdoor trip. With a combination of 420D polyester and ripstop material, this cot bed can fit people as tall as 6.2 feet and is durable enough to give you the perfect cozy afternoon nap. This cot is built with thickened anti-rust steel bed frame, enabling a max capacity of 265 pounds, while its base triangle design enhances the stability of the bed, effectively balancing your body movements and prevents any issues with rolling over or falling off the cot. It comes with 2 elastic straps to keep your mat from slipping and allows you to enjoy a good night's sleep with comfort. The King Camp Ultralight Compact Folding Camping Cot is a super lightweight cot that offers excellent comfort in its price range. Coleman specializes on making outdoor gear including tents, lanterns, coolers, and many more with extreme precision to make your trip comfortable. Now meet the Coleman Packaway, a unique cot that offers perfect spot to rest. This camping cot offers more than sleeping space with its removable side table and features a cup holder where you can keep your drinks or magazines securely. It can accommodate people up to 6 feet 6 inches tall and support up to 300 pounds of weight very efficiently so that you can enjoy your trip without any worry. With an extra wide design, you'll have more room to relax. The foldable steel frame will make sure that you always have a great place to sleep season after season on any campsite. The Coleman Packaway offers a lot of features in its price range, which makes it a great cot to have with you on any camping trip. Mountaineering can be a great choice of outdoor activity, but to ensure comfort on your trip, you need a special camping cot that is purposely built for mountain trips. That is why introducing the ALPS Mountaineering Ready Lite Cot, a great mountaineering-ready camping cot that can make your trip convenient and comfortable. Made of sturdy ripstop fabric, it minimizes carry weight without sacrificing long-term durability, so that you can carry it easily and enjoy comfort no matter where you are. Equipped with an aluminum frame, this cot is extremely lightweight but strong enough to handle a maximum payload of up to 300 pounds without breaking a sweat. This frame also allows the cot to have a firm grip on the ground to provide you stable, worry-free sleeping experience. Weighing just around 4 pounds, its compact and foldable design with included shoulder carry bag makes transporting and storing it a breeze. If you're looking for a rugged and lightweight camping cot for your mountain outdoor trip, then the ALPS Mountaineering Ready Lite Cot is the right choice for you. Coleman is an iconic name on camping gear market for producing great quality camping accessories. Now, meet the Coleman ComfortSmart Camping Cot, a perfect camping cot that provides you excellent comfort on any trip. This cot comes with comfortable covered foam mattress pad that provides excellent comfort on any camping trip you go without any hassle. It features ComfortSmart coil suspension that offers a bed-like feel and gives maximum support for your whole body to prevent any pain building up due to lack of support. It comes with strong folding steel frame which offers enough seating space for people up to 5.7 inch tall so that you can always have a roomy seating space. And because of the folding frame design, you can easily carry it with you on any trip. The Coleman ComfortSmart Cot can keep you comfortable on any camping trip and is an excellent choice in its price range. TETON Sports specializes on making great quality camping gear and has years of expertise. Meet the TETON Sports Outfitter XXL, a unique camping cot built to provide you comfort on any camping trip. It comes with a sleeping pad that is constructed with 300D double brushed canvas and filled with polyurethane foam that can provide ultimate comfort. With the help of its pivot arm, you can set up this cot within seconds so that you can enjoy more time in nature and less time in setting up the cot. With its aluminum frame, patented steel S-legs, and heavy-duty 600D poly canvas top, this cot packs incredible strength which allows it to handle 600 pounds of weight easily. You can easily roll the sleeping bag for a convenient carrying experience, while its foldable design frame allows you to set it up and dismantle it easily. If you are looking for a feature-packed cot that is easy to set up and portable enough to go anywhere with you, then the TETON Sports Outfitter XXL cot is the right choice for you. So that was all about the best 7 camping cots for you. Like, comment and share with your friends if you found this video helpful. And do subscribe to our channel if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.